Hey everybody, welcome to my channel and welcome to a Confessions of a Paper Addict Cutfiles design team layout. I have a little bit older cut file, newer in the last year or so, but this one is the Garden Tools cut file, and I have gone ahead and backed it with this lovely pink fresh paper that was in my How to Kill a Kit with Style for May, because I'm actually working on this in May. This is from The Best Day. This one is Love You Always, and I just love this pattern. So I did all the handles of my tools in that, and then the metal part of my tools is in an Ellie Studio paper from this Good Times paper pad. So I don't have much as for big papers left in my How to Kill a Kit, which is a good thing. That's the point, right? So this is the only, and I've got this adorable picture of my niece digging in flowers. She's helping her mama plant some flowers. So I kind of wanted this side, but now that I'm looking, what I'm thinking about doing is kind of creating a block in the center. And have it divided, because I want this paper to kind of show, but I want layers of it. So I think I have an idea. Thinking, but I think I have an idea. I might just end with plain white. Let me get my photo, I think, trimmed down a little and matted and get started, and I'll check in with you to see what I've come up with. Okay. All right, all I've done so far is kind of just start playing with some color and layers. So I layered up my photo a couple times. I kind of want to, I should have put this underneath there too. I think I'm gonna matte my photo on this blue too. Hold on. And that's how I'll bring it in. Because I'm struggling with where to put, we'll cover that up with a flower, these tools now, because I really like this paper, but where to put the tools so that they're just not blending in. So I think if I matte the photo one more time in the same pattern, because I really wanted to use that pattern somewhere on the page as well, not just in the tools, so it ties it together. I think if I do that and then place it here, yeah, then it breaks it up a little bit more. Just trying to create a colorful page. And I'll tuck some flowers around as well. We're going to tuck this pink over here. I'm going to tear it. Pinky purple, whatever color it is. Because then I think what I can do is put a couple tools on each side. And I can tuck this one that I accidentally cut too close to the edge of the mat over here. Not a lot of green. I'm going to put these flowers away because they're not going to match anything anyway. And we're going to see what these flowers are like. And other flowers that I have randomly in here. In my stash over here. See what I got. I like the idea of having these kind of over here and over here. I feel like, oh, the gloves and this one should be together because this one's like all that pattern and all that pattern. Yeah. Just do like a big old collage of things over here. No frames. Get the frame out. Get out. I like this word grow though. Or maybe I just do one down here and one up there. Ditch the labels. Okay, I feel like we're getting somewhere. Ugh. I kind of liked it better this way though. We can lift this sticker up. It's almost like he's holding it. I'm going to spot for it. I don't think I need to put... maybe. That would be kind of cute. Or just this little plant. Not the cactus, but I kind of like the coffee cup better because this is a coffee cup. It just brings in a color that's not really in here, but it works. We're doing it. We're doing it. Oh, and there's a tiny little butterfly. What else I got in here? honey and strawberries. I think these are Jen Hadfield is my guess. I don't know. I've had them for a while. I think they were in a kit. And now they're in my try to use these up bin. As well as all these frames. Can I put this here? Maybe. And then where'd those elephants go? I've hardly used the blue, so we're going to use the blue. We're going to do a little dirt never hurt. So I'm going to put that down, and then I think I'm going to add some splatters in some of this Kaiser rose gold. No, that's gilt. No. Let's do rose gold red from Shimmers. If I can find it. Yes. I'm going to do this, just because it's pretty. Or should we do more of a purpley pink? You know? Or I can just do some cotton candy. Let's just do cotton candy. Alright, so I'm going to get my title down. It's going to be A Little Dirt Never Hurt, because why not? I'm just going to stick it right here. And that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check out the store for these Cutfiles if you'd like them. They make great embellishments, and it would be really fun to like blow them up, make a mini. You could do so many different things with these little tools, garden tools. And make sure you check out the Facebook group for the new release today, or yesterday technically, and the freebie that you get this month, and the challenge. I didn't get to do the challenge last month. I'm kind of bummed. So make sure you check it out. I'm going to get my title down. We'll get some close-ups here in a second. Bye.